Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the Kawai KDP75 digital home piano, specifically the embossed white model. This instrument is designed with beginners in mind, offering a fantastic starting point for anyone wanting to learn the piano. Right off the bat, the KDP75 features a full set of 88 keys, giving players the complete range of a traditional acoustic piano. This is crucial for developing proper technique and getting used to the standard layout. The key action is where Kawai really shines, even on their entry-level models. The KDP75 uses Kawai's responsive hammer compact action. This action is designed to replicate the feel of an acoustic piano, providing a realistic touch response that's heavier in the lower keys and lighter in the higher keys. It's a great action for building finger strength and control, essential for new players. Sound quality is another highlight, thanks to Kawai's harmonic imaging sound engine. This technology creates rich, detailed piano sounds sampled from Kawai's own concert grand pianos. The result is a surprisingly authentic and expressive tone for a digital piano in this category. Whether you're playing simple melodies or more complex pieces, the sound is clear and resonant. The piano also boasts 192-note polyphony, which means it can handle playing up to 192 notes simultaneously without dropping any sounds. This is more than enough for even complex pieces with sustained pedal use, ensuring a smooth and uninterrupted performance. One of the standout features for beginners is the inclusion of built-in Alfred piano lessons. This is a fantastic resource integrated directly into the instrument, providing structured lessons that can help guide new players through the fundamentals. It's like having a tutor built right in, making practice sessions more productive and engaging. Visually, the embossed white finish gives the KDP75 a clean, modern look that fits well into most home environments. It's designed as a home piano, meant to be a central part of a living space or practice room. While the product info mentions portable, it's important to understand this is a full-size digital piano with a stand, not something you'd easily carry to gigs. It's more about being relatively easy to move within a home compared to an acoustic piano. Overall, the Kawai KDP75 in embossed white presents a compelling package for beginner pianists. It offers a realistic key feel, excellent sound quality derived from Kawai's premium instruments, ample polyphony, and valuable built-in learning tools like the Alfred lessons. It provides a solid foundation for learning and growing as a pianist, all wrapped up in an attractive design. For anyone starting their piano journey, the KDP75 is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.